Hey everyone, here we are. Today is March 10th and here we are again, another bad tile job. Today I brought with me Randy. Randy, how long have you been in the tile business?
I've been in it second generation over 40 years. My dad did it for 44, and both of my brothers have done it. So I've been around it all my life. Okay,
and I've been in this field since 16. So I guess with the two of us, we've got quite a bit of experience. All right, so here we go. The customer called us out, and when we met, they said that they had ordered the small tile to go into the bottom of the pan here, and they were provided the big tile, and that's why you see the stickies. They said it was really slick, and they were afraid they were going to fall, but they were going to live with it until this happened. So here we go. We have mold. Mold here. This is up on the wall. It's around the bench. Here it is here. This shower is 1.5 years old according to the client. Mold. Over here next to that sticky. That is an actual void where water's getting in. And you see here, mold everywhere. All right. So when you come back here, we went ahead and took some tile up here. They used a Schutler pan system that we see right here. And then on top of that, they put a membrane that I had in my hand. Thank you. So, sorry about that, folks. So here's the membrane. And if you look at it carefully, you can see that it's translucent. You see how, so it's really thin. You can see it. All right. So they put down the pan, then they put the membrane, and then they have drywall here. This is on the wall. Drywall, and then they have this same membrane here on the wall. And I'm not familiar with this color. The other thing that we notice is, one, this isn't green board. This is regular drywall, so it's not even mildew resistant. Then you have the membrane, and then they use a 1/2 inch trowel. We use 1/4 inch simply because we don't like the voids that you have going on when you use a thick trowel like this. All right. So when we build these showers, we don't use sheetrock or drywall or green board on these. We use concrete boards. But let's just say we did use this exact system. What's missing off of this if we did this just like they did? What did they do wrong?
The waterproofing's not on there. You apply a coat of Redguard.
Okay. So if you're going to do this system, you can't take any chances. You have to use Redguard. And Redguard is a liquid latex product that you put that gives you this extra layer of protection. It's just for this situation. So if they'd had this, mold would have probably never set in, because when you do this, when you do a Kerdi system coming up the wall, you use a thin version of thinset. And if you make one mistake, it puts a gap in it, and that gap will cause exactly what happened, right?
That's correct.
So we have a failed install. They were almost there, but they just missed a step, and now we're going to have to tear this out and completely redo it. So stay tuned. We can't, and that's the other thing, is this has tile everywhere. So we're going to remove the tile, and we're going to have to do a contrasting tile here because she doesn't want to tear all of this out. So stay tuned. We will find the failure point and we'll document it into this, and we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody, have a great day.